On Threads, if you're posting something and want to add a topic, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to add a topic to your Threads post. First, open the Threads app. At the bottom, you'll see a plus button. Click on that plus button. When you click it, you'll see an option to add a new thread. Before adding the thread, next to your profile name, there's an Add a Topic option. Click on Add a Topic, and from there, you can search for any topic you want. For example, I'm searching for a topic, and if it's related to tech, you can search for tech. When you search, you'll see lots of options. You can also see how many recent posts are under each topic. For example, I'm choosing this one because it has many recent posts. After that, you'll see the option to add a new thread. If you want to add photos, just click this button and select a photo. You can also add a GIF or a voice note if you'd like. Once everything's ready, click the Post button. When you do, the thread will be posted. Then, if you check above, you'll see the thread topic. That's how you can easily add a topic to your Threads post. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.